All right, y'all, we're making 3-soup Cowboy Casserole. We're starting with 2 pounds of ground beef, lean ground beef that is, and then we're going to put 1 can of condensed tomato soup right on top of it. That is the first of our soups. And once we get that nice and scraped out, we're also going to put 1 can of cheddar soup. Tomato and cheddar, man, what goes better? Whoa, I didn't even plan that. That was crazy. But once you get your cheddar scraped out, you can go in with your third soup, which is going to be the classic cream of mushroom. Oh yeah, that's when you know it's good. So once you got that cream of mushroom in there, nice and scraped out, we'll start in with our seasonings. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of chili powder, about a teaspoon worth, a teaspoon of paprika, nice and red in there, nice and cowboy. And then about a half a teaspoon of cumin. Give it that nice taco smell. Once you got your cumin in there, finally we're going to do 1.5 cups of frozen corn. And once you got all that in there, we're going to stir it all together. Once you got all that nice and mixed together, finally we're going to take some tater tots. We're going to get a nice single layer over the top of our meat mixture here. And once you got all your tots in there, finally we're going to put the lid on and we're going to let this cook on high for 2 hours. Alright, after 2 hours, go ahead and take your lid off. Everything should be nice and cooked. And once we get to this part, we're going to spread 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese evenly over the top of our tots here. And once you get your cheese on there, we're also going to put 1/2 cup of bacon. Spread that all over the top. Y'all, this is going to be good. Okay, once you got that on there, go ahead and put your lid on. Let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, y'all, so after 10 to 15 minutes, it should be looking like this. Oh my goodness, and it smells awesome and it looks awesome. And then if you want, as a final touch, you can throw some green onion on top. I myself love some green onion, so I am going to throw some on there. And once you got your green onion on there, this baby is ready to try. Let's serve it up, folks. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. Oh yeah, y'all.